Hi, this is Lucy Hutchison, and this is MDF1 Project 1 review. I'm going to talk about what I did for my project. We're going to go through my code while I'm talking about it, and I'll just talk about at the end what I thought I could have done better. So the project was to create an app with 20 items in table view that has the option to, once you hit edit, that you can delete one out, or if you click on an item, then you would go into a detail view where you would see, additional information about that item. And so here's just a quick shot of my code. We have just the 20 items up front, doing my UI table view, showing the list of those items using just the count in terms of finding how many to show. We use the custom table cells, and so this is where all of that's implemented. My edit button. One thing different I did with the edit button was to, once you clicked on edit, was to switch it and let it say done, so that when they were in edit mode they can click it again, and that this would toggle it between going into edit or done mode. So just a little extra thing that I did in there. And then here's where they would delete if they were to put it into edit view. It would show up the delete style, which would basically put up the delete, which is the minus icons on the table list, so that they can pick one to delete. And then once they deleted it, I found that if I deleted just the first string, that the other two were still in there, so I had to make sure I went in there and delete all three at the same time, so that the location or the website doesn't show up for the other ones, because it's following the index path row, and so I had to make sure I did that. So I did catch that, so that was a little extra thing that I had to do. And then this is the view detail section. And so here's the code, or here's the simulator. So my little icon, just something that I did back in AVF, I think, when we did our demo app. So here's my table view with the first 20. If you click on one of these, it'll just open up a detail view that has the extra information was the website. I didn't really put a whole lot of information in there, but you get the idea. And in my mind I was thinking going back to where we were made sense instead of putting close. So that's just a little bit of the my logical thinking of thinking, okay, we're gonna go back to where we were, kind of thing. So that's how you would go in, and then to edit, and you notice it changed to done, so that when I go into my edit mode, I can delete this, it'll go away. We can delete this, and we can delete this, and then we're done, and we can stop deleting. So that's just this is just a little app that just had some of the clients that I worked with while I was doing self-employment type stuff. And so that's pretty much it. Here's my custom table cell. Really figuring out to set the properties for the different variables that I was using, and synthesizing the detail view and just things like that. That's probably what I need a little bit more understanding with. So synthesizing text labels. I know it's about setters and getters, and I'm still a little fuzzy on exactly what all that means, but I'm assuming it just means that I can use it here and use it over there, and that I didn't have to do the void and do the set actions. But so that's just something that I need to do as far as what I could have done better. But other than that, I'm pretty happy with the way it looks. Of course, I'm a designer first, so definitely getting into code brain is it's a challenge for me, but I'm working through it. Well, that's all I have. Thanks a lot.